Hey, what's up guys? This is John Spear Warhammer. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today I just wanted to show you guys how to make up a single pole switch. So just jumping right into it. I already got it kind of half made up. It's my makeshift little, instructional type of situation here. I just got a rigid nipple going in, but it should simulate pretty much what we're trying to accomplish here. So I already got my ground pigtail in, which should have been done in the rough end. My two neutrals, which will be the whites, my ground, my hot, and then my switch leg. Everyone does their switch legs different, to be honest with you. So just kind of FYI, how I usually do it is I'll grab the hot, the switch leg, which will be the yellow, and the ground, which is the green. I'll grab them right here at the end, and with the switch leg I'll do this like little wrap where you just kind of do this little number, and that shows the next guy, whether that's you or someone else, that this yellow is the switch leg going up to the light or whatever. That's just normally how I do it. Like I said, everyone has a different way, but that's what I like to do to kind of show the next guy, whether that's me or someone else, that I did the due diligence of showing which one's the switch leg, because sometimes they'll pull them down in MCs or whatever, but you should always be thinking about the next guy. It's a big thing I preach. What I usually do is I'll grab it like this, and per code you don't need this much, but it's always nice to have extra wire, in my opinion. I guess we should start with the ground. Screw it, we'll go with the neutral for right now. I'm going to be using these Knipex forged steel strippers. I'm a huge fan of them. They're pretty sweet. Anyways, I'll give them a thumb up, come down, and then we'll just start our makeup process. I'm a big fan of pre-twisting. I know some people say that the wire nut does it. It's on the instructions. I hear it all the time. But in my personal opinion, maybe I'm just an old head, but I like to pre-twist. Do that, and then what I like to do is just kind of get this one out of the way right away. So grab it right there, fold it in, push it to the side, because if you have an aux sensor, you might literally only have the space that's in front of you. So that's just something, fun fact. So with these guys, I like to push them all the way down to the bottom. Grab this ground, push that all the way to the bottom. Get these out of your way for your makeup. Have like a little strip of green here. And get the Knipex, cut it. Boom. Get these guys, make them the same height. It's easier to do that with the ones inside the box. Pull them together. Kind of try to make them in like a triangle. If you have four, make it a square. It's the easiest way, in my personal opinion, to pre-twist. So that looks pretty good. Pre-twisting. Cut off the excess. Get the wire nut on. Another fun thing is to just do a quick tug test. Make sure that's good to go. Fold that in. Push it to the opposite side of the neutral. And your neutrals are just going to go straight through. They're going to go in and out. Because on a switch, all you're going to need is your hot and your switch leg. And your ground, of course, for the device. So I just got this little Eaton switch. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy, you know, 20 amp spec, whatever. This one you're gonna see you're able just to put it inside. Some you have to make a hook. I'll show you how to make a hook too, you know, even though this one doesn't require it. I'm gonna show it to you real quick. I'll just give a quick little example how a hook looks. Oh, well, the ground has a hook, so give yourself a little bit of extra. And then on these Knipex, they have a little slot right here, made specifically for making the perfect little loop. So you're going to want to make sure that the screw goes this way, that your loop also goes that way, so it tightens up with it. So it'll fit on like that. You know, if you want to be extra cool, you know, you can kind of squeeze these guys together, and that'll guarantee it'll stay in there. And then you'll twist these little guys, and if you had it on the opposite way, it would kind of just twist off and be a pain in the butt. But we'll do that nice and tight. Good to go. Now we're gonna work on this. So cut them the same. Boom. Boom. You know, kind of do like a pre-measurement. See, I have it a little long on this one. Don't need that much, so we can cut the excess off. I do like to put the hot on top. There's no code, there's no nothing that says that you have to do that. It's just something I do as a personal preference. If I ever come back, you'll know that the hot's on top and the switch leg's on bottom. Like I said, there's no rule against it. It's just more of a, like I always tell my guys, a professional courtesy. So I'm gonna do this. Throw that on. Alright, now that that's taken care of, we'll do a quick little tug test to make sure all of our stuff is good. Get it nice and even. A nice little thing, and I don't have it right now, is to wrap a little tape around it. You know, double check that your on and off is the right direction going up. You know, you don't want it to say no and oof. You know, you want it to say off and on. So that is a little fun little thing there. And then you just kind of like fold it in. Get it nice and ready. Alright. Get this little guy in the hole. Really appreciate you guys watching this. It's a quick little video. Warhammer, we believe it's everyone's first day doing something, so I know this is pretty first day type of stuff, but you know, we'll get into more intricate type of stuff as the channel continues. But I did want to show you guys how to make up a single pole switch. I hope you guys like my suggestions on here. Please like and subscribe. Every little bit counts, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Helps me make more videos. Please leave comments. It's something I missed. You know, you can always read the comments and see, for whatever reason, like I might have skipped something, you know, that, or like another trick. You know, guys, please put that on there, because you know, the whole goal here is to help the apprentices out, the guys that are just coming up in the field, you know, to make sure that we kind of have more of a universal system making this stuff up, because you know, not every journeyman's great. I'm not perfect myself, but you know, I try my best. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. You know, make sure you like that Warhammer. Check us out on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, basically every platform. Hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.